hello sa ating mga fellow pet parents. It has actually come to my attention na marami ng mga pets ngayon ang medyo nagiging irritable. Some are actually showing signs of low appetite, lethargy, and even vomiting. These are signs of anxiety, and actually ako din, nararamdaman ko rin yon in the last few days. And I think malaki yung factor ng planetary parade sa atin and sa ating mga animals. So, stay tuned. I will post another video kung ano yung mga pwede natin gawin para matulungan natin yung sarili natin at saka yung mga pets natin at the same time. I feel like this will take us up to at least second week of February. So, watch out lang sa mga important things na i-mention ko sa next video. So, kapit lang, hang in there, we'll get through this. Okay? Bye!